my brother. Get in the frame. Sorry, get in the frame then. Me and my brother are going to be watching. Shut up. Going to be watching the Eating Dead Ducklings and Eggs by Food for Louie. As video response, he said to do it. That one up. What a bummer. Little slippers.
Welcome to the Food for Louie morning breakfast show. This week, I'm going to be eating a Filipino delicacy. This is a duck egg, and inside this egg is a dead, unhatched duckling. So it's going to be nice, and as usual, we've got
Why does he have two?
very well qualified Dr.
How
Paul
is it?
in the house.
10.
Right. Morning eggs.
He has even shot glasses. Ew. Ew. It just squirted.
Alright.
Ooh, that looks yummy. I can eat that anytime.
Oh, I dare you. Honestly.
Does not smell good.
Oh, that's delicacy.
It's hard to see.
Wait, show it.
But there's not many legs.
Dude. What is he trying to find?
It's a little beak.
Oh. Oh. Oh, he looks like a duck.
Just to reassure everybody, we didn't kill these ducks. I'm very against killing baby ducklings. This is something we bought as food. The name of it is baloo, and it's a Filipino delicacy, like I said before. So it's just a nice breakfast time.
Filipinos at least don't eat it raw.
Oh. He's shoving it. Ew. His head just came off. His head just came off.
Murder!
Ew, he has another one to go. I don't think he's gonna eat the other one.
Wow.
Just eat.
Strip coffee. Open mouth shot. I hate it. It's buffering. Ugh. Ew, it's just... God.
Oh, what?
Oh my god.
Look at his face. He looks so mad. Maddie, I dare you to do it.
Excuse me?
Now, I dare you to eat pickles mixed with dead frog.
No. Oh, why the hell is it being so slow? It's almost slow.
Gee, 'cause I don't know, it might have been illegal at first.
I get Louie in trouble.
Why?
Just kidding.
Wasn't too bad for a dead duckling.
Awesome.
You go wash my face and do my homework.
I need to do my homework. I'll just finish it.
But I'm actually still hungry, so
Oh my god.
have another one.
Why?
'Cause you need breakfast. He actually woke up. If you had to do this, would you finish another one? Yes, you would.
No, excuse me. Ew, what is he doing? He just put the whole egg in his mouth, showing off. Ew, it's squirting.
Oh, it's peeing in his mouth.
It's just juice everywhere.
Is he laughing?
No shit. It's never been this slow. And, like, buffering and stuff. It's probably because I'm filming. I can hear him gag because it's... What?
That was his neck snapping. That was his neck snapping.
No, it wasn't. It was the eggshells all up in his mouth.
No, that was
I'm
duckling.
so mad yesterday. Ugh. Alright, I'm about to get real mad.
What?
This thing.
This is awesome, man.
It's about to freeze up again. Ew, all you hear is just eggshells crunching up a storm. Something's not about to take just like a pill, like a... Ew, it's coming back up. Ew. Did it come up? Did I miss it?
Only a little came out. But that's
He was
just
like fighting it for like 10 minutes. He was like...
yeah, 'cause who would want to eat that such a that's true.
Oh, it's wild.
Dodge the ball, it's nearly over.
Oh, this nigga's about to throw it up.
And it's gonna turn to be all full of goo and diarrhea and poo poo.
Hang on to it.
Hang on to
You
it.
alright?
No.
Stop!
I'm gonna make it dick.
He's dead.
What?
Come on.
It was a very traumatic breakfast. If you'd like to hear about the latest updates and the newest things I'm going to be eating, follow us on Twitter, twitter.com/foodforlouis. And also, we'd love to see
You try to eat some of this crap.
Excuse me, no.
video reactions as responses to these videos. So,
Are you even in the
and response below.